Ever found yourself stuck in the middle of a hike, thinking you had that one perfect gadget to save the day? Well, we've all been there. Whether it's scaling mountains or trekking through dense forests, the right gear can transform any outing from ordinary to extraordinary. So, in this video, we'll share a list of 40 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Without further ado, let's stick around. Access to clean drinking water can be a challenge when it is a long way hike. That's where the PerTrek trekking pole comes in as an ease and solution. This remarkable trekking pole provides support during hikes, ensuring a reliable source of clean water. It is made with high-quality materials such as carbon fiber and stainless steel. It is both lightweight and durable. The carbide tip offers a solid grip on various terrains, making it a reliable hiking companion. However, what sets the PerTrek apart is its two-stage filtration system that eliminates 99.99% of bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics, providing pure and refreshing water. The stand and filter design makes it easy to purify water from streams or other sources during hikes, without worrying about contaminants. Moreover, the PerTrek maintains the pure taste of the water, ensuring a refreshing drink every time. Weighing only 17 ounces, this innovative trekking pole is a must-have for any hiker looking to stay hydrated and healthy on the trail. When you are on a week-long hike, finding a reliable and compact cooking solution can be a challenge. That's where the Firebox Gen 2 comes in as an ideal ultralight stove for hikers. This stove offers multi-fuel versatility, allowing you to use wood, gas, alcohol, or gel, providing a range of options for cooking in the great outdoors. With its no assembly or hinged construction, the Firebox Gen 2 is easy to set up and start cooking in seconds, without the need for any tools. It is perfect for use with the popular Pangia spirit burner among hikers. The proprietary cross-feed wood fuel delivery system ensures a steady flame for efficient and even cooking. Whether you need to heat a cup of water for coffee or prepare a full meal, the Firebox Gen 2 can adjust to fit small cups or large pans, making it a versatile choice for any camping or hiking trip. Getting the right footwear that is both high performance and eco-friendly can be challenging sometimes when you are on a mission of week-long hike. That's where the Lowa Trek Evo GTX comes in as an excellent choice for hikers. These boots are leather-free, making them an ideal choice for those who prefer animal-free products. The Vibram sole on these boots provides excellent traction, making them grippy enough for even the trickiest trails. Additionally, the boots are resolvable, which means you can extend their lifespan and get more use out of them. The Gore-Tex membrane in the boots ensures that they are waterproof and breathable, keeping your feet dry and comfortable during long hikes in wet conditions. Lastly, the mesh upper is highly breathable, keeping your feet cool and comfortable on hot summer hikes. With the Lowa Trek Evo GTX, you can enjoy your hiking adventures while also being environmentally conscious. Having a reliable and durable backpack is essential to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free experience for hiking. That's where the Matador Beast comes in as an ideal choice for hikers who demand the best. This backpack is built to last with high-quality materials like 210D Robic nylon and YKK zippers. With a 28-liter capacity and a flexible frame that moves with your body, the Matador Beast is comfortable to wear even during long hikes. The backpack is hydration compatible and comes with gear loops for hiking poles or ice axes, Hippolon daisy chains, and water bottle pockets, providing ample space for all your hiking essentials. Additionally, there are 2 internal pockets and a key loop for securing small items. The padded, breathable mesh shoulder straps and back panel ensure maximum comfort during your hike. With the Matador Beast, you can tackle any hiking adventure with confidence, knowing that your backpack can handle anything that comes your way. Gearlight Headlamp comes as a preferable choice for hikers. This headlamp is designed to provide bright, adjustable, and comfortable lighting for long periods. With a powerful LED beam that has a runtime of up to 10+ hours on the low setting, it's ideal for rugged outdoor use. The removable, washable, and adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for both adults and children, while the 45-degree adjustable head allows for precision lighting in any situation. The Gearlight Headlamp features 7 different lighting modes, including a red beam for safety, making it versatile enough to tackle any trail. Additionally, it's water resistant and shockproof, so you can rely on it rain or shine. Now, you can also make the Gearlight Headlamp a must-have on your next hiking adventure for a hands-free and reliable lighting solution. GoBites is a versatile and lightweight utensil that is perfect for hiking and camping. With its compact design, the tools nest in a storage case for easy portability. With the GoBites, you have a serrated knife that actually cuts through meats and veggies, an embedded metal bottle opener, and even a handy toothpick to keep your teeth clean and your smile sparkling. Plus, it nests in a slim storage case, making it easy to slip into your pack without taking up too much space. Not only are the GoBites functional and durable, but they're also environmentally friendly. Made with strong BPA-free and PC-free nylon, these utensils are built to last and won't harm the planet. And when it's time to clean up, the smooth surface and simple case design make it easy to wash and reuse for your next adventure. When hiking at night, visibility can be a major challenge. But with the Wuben XO Night, you can easily illuminate your path and enjoy a safe and enjoyable hike. At first glance, this compact flashlight may seem like a small tool for minor tasks. However, don't be fooled by its size. It can throw an intensely bright beam of up to 1100 lumens, lighting up even the darkest of trails. Its magnetic base makes it incredibly practical for mounting anywhere, giving you hands-free lighting when you need it most. So whether you're hiking through the woods or navigating a dark campsite, the Wuben XO Night is the perfect tool to keep you safe and illuminated on your nighttime adventures. Comfort and safety are two of the most important factors to consider for hiking a long time. That's where the BN002 from Beyond Nordic comes in. With its innovative all-around zip-off design, you can easily transform these pants into shorts with zero effort, making them perfect for unpredictable weather conditions. And with an integrated chip from Reco, you'll never have to worry about getting lost or going off the radar, making it a life-saving option for beginners. But that's not all. The BN002 also boasts top-notch stretching, premium waterproofing, and ventilation, ensuring that you stay comfortable and dry no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. So if you're looking for a versatile and reliable hiking pant that can keep up with your adventures, look no further than the BN002. Facing issues with your pants to keep your feet dry and comfortable during your treks while having an adventurous hike? Here's the solution. The Mishmi Jampui, the perfect boots for hikers who are seeking a rugged one. With its quality, breathable, and lightweight construction, these waterproof hiking boots prevent sweatiness and foul odors, ensuring your feet stay fresh throughout your journey. Unexpected water crossings can be a challenge during hikes, but with the Mishmi Jampui, you won't have to worry about getting your feet wet. The comfortable footbed and blister-preventing capabilities make these boots a top choice for avid hikers. And with top-notch water protection, you can rest assured that your feet will stay dry no matter what the trail throws your way. So, if you're looking for a reliable and comfortable pair of hiking boots, look no further than the Mishmi Jampui. The Peg Stove is a cooking device for hikers who want to enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of starting a fire. With its cutting-edge heating technology, this innovative stove can whip up some tasty treats with just the push of a button, keeping you energized and satisfied on your hikes. The Peg Stove is durable and lightweight, and also boasts efficiency, making it the perfect addition to your hiking gear. And with its USB Type-C integration, you can easily charge it on the go, increasing its adaptability and convenience. With its trail mix, you can enjoy hot, delicious meals on week-long hikes. Next up is the Pangia Eco Jacket, which is a lightweight and practical jacket designed to tackle any adverse weather condition on your hikes. As its name suggests, this eco-friendly jacket is made from recycled bottles, making it an excellent choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint. Not only is it waterproof, but it also comes with built-in gloves for those cold weather conditions. The best part? It can be easily folded for maximum carrying convenience. But that's not all. The Pangia Eco Jacket comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring that it will never end up in a landfill. It is designed to keep you dry during the heaviest downpours and even during underwater adventures. With 21 incredible features, including a hood pocket, sunglasses pocket, adjustable drawcord hem, and plantable hand tag, this jacket is super versatile and perfect for any outdoor adventure. What sets the Pangia Eco Jacket apart is its commitment to the environment. The jacket is manufactured in a solar-powered plant, and the carbon emissions are completely offset. Additionally, for every jacket purchased, Pangia funds river barriers to stop trash before it reaches the ocean. With 14 trash barriers placed so far, preventing over 50,000 pounds from entering the ocean every month, the Pangia Eco Jacket is not just a jacket, but a contribution towards a cleaner and healthier planet. Are you tired of feeling uncomfortable and weighed down on your hikes? Look no further than the Equinox Pants by Outdoor Research. As any experienced hiker knows, having the right gear can make all the difference on the trail. That's why you need a pair of pants that can keep up with your adventures, providing both versatility and performance. The Equinox Pants are tailored specifically for hikers, boasting an ultra-lightweight and convenient convertibility that allow you to adapt to any situation. It is made from a premium blend of nylon and spandex. These pants offer breathability and water resistance, ensuring you stay comfortable even in unpredictable weather conditions. And with movement mirroring stretch technology, you'll have the freedom of movement you need to fully enjoy your hike. So why settle for less? Choose the Equinox Pants and conquer the trail in style and comfort. Enter the Leatherman Skelet tool, a must-have for any hiker looking to be prepared for anything the trail throws their way. What sets the Skelet tool apart is its no-nonsense design and carefully curated set of 7 essential tools, specifically tailored for hikers. Within its compact frame, you'll find a 420 HC knife, needle nose pliers, hardwire cutters, wire cutters, a large bit driver, and a carabiner. These tools are designed to cover a wide range of functions, making quick fixes and adjustments on the trail a breeze. And as a bonus, the carabiner also serves as a bottle opener, perfect for those well-deserved post-hike refreshments. With the Leatherman Skelet tool by your side, you'll be ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way on the trail. A good night's sleep is essential to recharge your batteries for the next day's adventure on week-long hikes. That's where the NatureHike Vik comes in, the perfect hiking tent for a comfortable and restful sleep after a long day on the trails. Designed specifically for hikers, this tent boasts a range of features to make your outdoor experience even better. One of its most impressive qualities is its ultra-light weight, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hikers looking for a shelter that's easy to carry. Despite its lightweight design, the NatureHike Vik is constructed with a durable 15 denier lattice that can withstand even the rainiest and windiest weather conditions, ensuring you stay dry and protected on your hiking adventures. And with excellent breathability, you'll wake up feeling fresh and comfortable, even after a challenging hike. Be free from all cramped and heavy tents, and upgrade to the spacious and lightweight NatureHike Vik for a truly rejuvenating camping experience in the great outdoors while you are on a hike. Unpredictable weather can quickly turn a pleasant outdoor experience into a miserable one when you're on a hike. That's where the Patagonia Torrent Shell 3L comes in as the ultimate solution. It is designed specifically for hikers. This rain jacket is ready to take on whatever Mother Nature throws your way. It is crafted with 3 layers of H2No performance standard technology. It provides exceptional waterproof protection while also being remarkably breathable. To further enhance breathability, the jacket features ventilation pockets that allow you to regulate your body temperature while on the trail. With the Patagonia Torrent Shell 3L, you can embark on your hiking adventures with confidence, knowing that you're well equipped to handle any unexpected weather that comes your way. You can fire the soaked clothing and discomfort and welcome a dry and enjoyable hiking experience with this rain jacket. Losing your way on a hiking expedition can be a frightening experience, but with the Zio Satellite Communicator, you can rest assured that you'll always stay on course. This rugged device is built to withstand the toughest conditions on the trail, so you can rely on its durability to see you through any challenges that nature throws your way. With multi-band connectivity, the Zio ensures precise communication even in the most remote and challenging terrain. Whether you're navigating dense forests or scaling rugged peaks, you can trust this reliable device to keep you connected and informed. After that event, you find yourself in an unfamiliar location. The Zoleo has got you covered. With its SOS button, you can quickly and easily call for help in case of emergencies. So, hike with confidence and peace of mind, knowing that the Zio Satellite Communicator is by your side, ready to keep you safe and on track. Staying hydrated on a hike is crucial, but carrying enough water can be a hassle. That's where the Camelback Crux comes in as a great solution for hikers. This water reservoir is designed specifically with hikers and backpackers in mind, making it a perfect addition to your hiking gear. The Camelback Crux offers a user-friendly experience with its innovative design. The convenient handle makes refilling easy and quick, so you can replenish your water supply during breaks without any fuss. With a 20% increase in water flow, you can stay hydrated without slowing down your pace. The Big Bite Valve is another impressive feature that self-seals after every sip, preventing any leaks. But what sets the Camelback Crux apart is its HydroGuard technology. This technology works to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, ensuring that your drinking water remains pure and safe throughout your hike. With the Camelback Crux, you can enjoy your hiking adventures without worrying about staying refreshed and hydrated.